In this video, I will show you how you can set up your AirTag with your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. But before we start, you will need to make sure that some settings are enabled on your iPhone. First of all, just open the Control Center, and in the Control Center, just go to the Connection section. And from here, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. You can either use mobile data, or you can connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi network. And also make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Now, after you've done that, the next step is just make sure that iCloud keychain and two-factor authentication are set up and enabled on your iPhone. And also make sure that location services is enabled from the settings. After you've done all of that, now if you have just unboxed your AirTag, just pull the tab from your AirTag to activate it. And after you do that, just keep your AirTag close to your iPhone and a pop-up will appear on the screen. Just tap on connect and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the pairing process. But if it has been a while since you have activated your AirTag, or if you're using a second-hand AirTag, so in that case, just open the Find My app on your iPhone, and at the bottom of the screen, just select Items. From here, just tap on Add Item, and select Add AirTag. Then just keep your AirTag close to your iPhone, and this pop-up will appear on the screen. Just tap on Connect, and from here, just select a name for your AirTag. Basically, just select for what you are using this AirTag. For an example, I will select custom name, then tap on continue, and I will give a name to this AirTag, just like that. And after that, just tap on continue, and from here, just select an emoji for your AirTag. Then tap on continue and select agree. And after you do that, you will pair your AirTag with your iPhone. And just select done. And as you can see, we have successfully paired our AirTag with our iPhone. And in the Find My app, you will be able to locate your AirTag just like that. And this is how you can set up your AirTag to your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.